Okay, this is Chuck Dodge. I'm Mr. Enthusiasm, and I've just listened to a very inspiring presentation by Paul on the work-life balance. And he had this great analogy about the plate and all the different things that could end up on our plate, whether we chose them or not. And then to make that shift, to say no to certain things, because as we have our current life, it may not be our desired life. So Paul helped us get in touch with what we value and the things that we really need to be doing now. So we have that peace of mind, and we've got the balance in our work and our life, and we are doing the most important things. And I really appreciate Paul's presentation. Invite him in. He'll definitely inspire you and help you take a look at what's on your plate. Paul is an amazing speaker because he gives us the examples, and then he gives us the ideas and develops the presentation in such a way that you can understand it and see it and logically really take a look at, whoa, I got some changes to make there. So really excited, and I'm sure you'll appreciate Paul as I did.